Hey, this is John with Watchtower Guitars, and we just got in this 2025 Nacho Burst. So this one is serial number NB0034, and he did a whole bunch of stuff to this. This started out as a USA made a Gibson Les Paul standard, but he reshaped the top. He aged the top for months to give it this kind of patina. He reshaped the headstock, one-piece mahogany neck. I think it's a two-piece body, mahogany body. And it's just a little bit different, very sweet sounding Les Paul. Super excited to have these, and it's really fun to play. And it's fun to look at, and it's fun to listen to. So let's check it out.